Welcome to our quick guide video. In this video, we'll walk through how to issue items using the Item Out form. Start by going to Inventory, then select Item Out. On this screen, first choose the ticket related to the item issue. Once the ticket is selected, the customer details are automatically filled. Next, select the staff responsible for the item issue and choose the associated project if required. Use the comments field to add any necessary notes about the item transaction. After that, select the item you want to issue, enter the quantity, and verify the unit and rate, which are filled automatically based on selected item. Click Add More if you need to include multiple items in the same transaction. All added items will appear in the Transaction Items table below, where you can review the item name, quantity, unit ticket ID, and customer details. Once everything is verified, click Save to complete the item issue process, or use Reset to clear the form and start over. After clicking Save, the Item Out entry is completed and a Gate Pass PDF is automatically generated. This Gate Pass includes the reference ticket number, project name, delivery or pullout date and time, and any comments added during the Item Out process. The delivery section lists all issued items with their quantity, unit, description, rate, and total amount exactly as entered in the Item Out form. This document can be used for physical verification at the site and includes a validation section for signature and date, confirming the item handover is complete. The Item Out entry is also recorded in the Item Out directory, where every issued item is listed with its transaction ID, ticket reference, staff name, customer, project, item details, quantity, rate, and comments. This directory acts as a complete log of all Item Out transactions and allows you to quickly verify what was issued, when it was issued, and against which ticket or project.